Hi, it's time to change the pool tarp. As you can see, my old tarp looks worse for wear. It's faded quite a bit. It wasn't leaking, so I really didn't have to change it, but I decided to do that anyway. So here's the tarp that I purchased from Canadian Tire, and it's a 20 by 40 footer, and it was $62 on sale. And first of all, I've got to drain the entire pool out, so I've got my pool pump, sump pump, and there it is. It's draining into the drain in the backyard. So here is a bit of the installation of the tarp, and I want to show you this video because I don't want to let other people make the same mistakes that I did. First of all, I didn't unfold the whole thing, and I should have. I thought maybe I could use it, 20 foot by 40 foot, and it's folded in half, so it'd be 20 by 20. And I was hoping that would work, but it unfortunately didn't. It was a little bit short, and so it's probably not exactly 20 by 40. Anyway, you can see me stuffing the tarp over the edges, and this is another mistake I made. I cut out the inlet too soon, and I cut the skimmer opening too soon, and I didn't make that mistake the first time, but it really does make a difference. So don't do that before you've filled up the pool. So here you can see the pool is slowly being filled, because what happens is that of course the tarp stretches, and my pool wall isn't exactly straight because of the fact that I had ice damage many years ago. So anyway, the tarp went into those crevices and pulled tightly down, so I had to go in and readjust the best I could, and it doesn't look as good as it would have had I taken the time and cut the openings after. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.